Let's unbox the Tough Beam barn light in a black finish. Inside, you'll find the gooseneck arm, the accessory pack, and aluminum shade. Here's the arm assembly up close, the main support arm for the fixture. It features a sleek matte black finish and includes a cast aluminum swivel. This heavy-duty swivel is designed for strength and can be locked securely into place. That means the lighthead can be positioned and locked at almost any angle. Next, here's the 16-inch 925 style aluminum shade, along with the 5-inch cast components. The wall canopy includes a mounting plate and 2 removable knockouts for a photocell or motion sensor. Inside the accessory pack, you'll find instructions, wiring, a gasket, and screws. To install the shade, place the gasket onto the headpiece, slide the shade on, add the ring, and secure it with 4 screws. Once tightened, the shade sits firmly in place. The solid cast headpiece holds both the socket and the shade, unlike other designs that rely on the socket to support the shade. Now the Tough Beam barn light is fully assembled and ready to install.